Guys, we're gonna do a beautiful, fresh shrimp ceviche coming up. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, and if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it, so you get alerts on all what we're doing here. Okay, so what are we doing here today? We are going to be making a beautiful, fresh, lovely shrimp ceviche, and I'm telling you right now, you're gonna want to make this. You're gonna go to the store, well, at least wait till the video's over, but you're gonna want to go to the store and try this. Okay, guys, I'm in Southern California. It's hot. I don't want to cook, I don't want to put the grill open, but I want a nice fresh snack, and that's what this shrimp ceviche is. Now I got my beer here. You may think to yourself, what does this white boy know about shrimp ceviche? Listen, I've been in SoCal my whole life. I'm a Mexican food aficionado. I grew up on it, body built by it, all right? So just trust me on this one. It's gonna be a good one. So the first thing we gotta do on this thing is get our mise en place ready to go, okay? We're gonna start with some jalapenos. I got a couple jalapenos. I'm just cutting the flesh off, staying away from the ribs and the seeds. If you guys want it hot, put the seeds in there, the ribs. I'm trying to keep it family friendly, so I got my tapatio right here. All right, so we're gonna make that spicy on my own, okay? But we're just gonna do a real small dice on them. You know, one wants to, well, there are people out there that want a big old bite of jalapeno, but not this guy. Okay, next thing we're gonna do is get that cucumber chopped up. We've already peeled the skin off of it, chopped off the ends. I'm cutting around the seeds in the middle, all right? I just want the flesh of it. So we're gonna do a nice kind of quarter, half-inch dice. Same thing with the tomatoes and the avocado and the shrimp that's in the fridge right now. We're gonna try to keep them all about the same size. So when you're taking a bite, you're getting kind of all the flavors in one, and you're not having a big bite of this and a smaller bite of that, all right? So you wanna try to keep everything as consistent as possible in the big bite items, okay? Next thing we do is get a ripe avocado cut up, slice it in half, open it up, take that pit out, take a butter knife, cross hatch it, and then scoop it out with the spoon. Relatively simple, you know, haven't lost you this far, right? Next thing is get that tomato cut up. Again, I'm staying away from the pulp and the seeds. I'm just cutting around the outside. If you like having all that stuff in there, knock yourself out, but I'm not gonna do that. This is the way I want it. Last thing is we're gonna do a kind of a small dice on some red onion, a half of a red onion to, you know, a third of a red onion, however oniony you want it, okay? Now I'm only doing this with about a pound of shrimp. They're jumbo shrimp, but it really doesn't matter because we're chopping them up. So this is enough for just me and, you know, a couple people in the fam to snack on. If you're doing this for a bigger party, you know, double and triple the ingredients and, you know, kind of the same flow though, okay? You still want everything consistent, still everything, you know, the same size, but you just do it on a larger scale, okay? I'll put the ingredients down below underneath the video, hit show more in the description and down at the bottom, okay? So real simple. I don't really want to overtalk this more than I already have. Let's get over to my kitchen island, start prepping this bad boy. Once we get everything chopped up, mixed up, we're going to put it in the fridge, let it come together, meld together, let the lime juice cook that shrimp. We're using uncooked shrimp. We're gonna let that lime juice cook it in there, let all the flavors come together, and we'll take a taste test in a couple hours, okay? So let's get to the kitchen island and start working everything together. One more thing, guys, my channel is not known for Mexican food or ceviche or anything like that. So the algorithm gods, we need their help. So I need your help to help them, help me. Yeah, okay. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, comment down below, say hi, say you love ceviche, say you love my hat, whatever. Comment down below, share this on your social media, get the word out there, okay? Help my algorithm gods bless me with a good video, even though it's not something they're used to with like the foodie or the black or anything like that, okay? Do that for your boy CJ. All right, CJ's crew, don't let me down. Get over to the kitchen island, let's get going. All right, team, let's start combining all our ingredients. We got our cucumbers in there, our onion and avocado. Get that in. Got our tomato and our jalapeno. I'm gonna set that aside. All right, now we're gonna get our shrimp chopped up and put them in there. We're gonna look to do kind of just little half-inch bites. Real simple. Like I said, trying to keep it kind of consistent. All right, so we're almost done chopping these bad boys up. Another benefit of, you know, getting these kind of bite-sized is that it'll cook a whole lot quicker using that lime juice. Okay. All right, so let's get these in here. These were 16-20 shrimp, so they're 16 to 20 per pound of shrimp. These were peeled and deveined and uncooked. All right, team, we're gonna get these limes squoze, cut up the squoze. I'm gonna rub these against the cutting board, kind of breaks up the juices in there. Let's get them cut in half. And I'm going for about a half a cup or so of lime juice. Doesn't have to be perfect, but so we're gonna do here, take our little lime squeezer doohickey and start squeezing limes. That was about 6 limes worth, depending on your size or not, but about a half a cup or so. Let's get the lime juice in there. All right, we're gonna add a couple healthy pinches of kosher salt, little ground cumin, just a dash or two, nothing too crazy. And then we're gonna put a bunch of cracked black pepper in there. Last thing we do, and we mix. Right, so there's our ceviche prepped out. Now it needs to go in the fridge, and then we'll be ready to eat it. All right, come on back. It'll be a couple hours for me, but it'll be mere seconds for you. All right, team, we are done with this dish. We have it sitting in the fridge. I let it go about 3 or 4 hours, but I wanted to give it plenty of time for that lime juice to cook those shrimp and just let all those flavors come together. Guys, I think it's time that we pop another beer. All right, gotta wash it down with something, right? Take a bite of this beautiful looking dish right here. Got me a little tostada shell. Get all the goodness on here. Get a little avocado. Put a little cilantro on top. Put a little, do a little splash of tapatio on there. Get some of that cucumber. Try to get all of the bites. Let's give it a go. All right. Guys, that's amazing. Fresh, clean, lovely flavors. Got a nice beer to wash it down. But that's it. Really simple dish. Let me know below what you think of it. If it's something you'd make or what spin you'd make on it. You know, I like dishes when people can, add their own ideas, thoughts, whatever. I know a lot of people put fish in it, calamari, whatever. So how do you make your ceviche? Let me know in the comments down below. Guys, if you haven't already done so, hit that thumbs up. Share this video if you don't mind. If you want to become part of CJ's crew for real, hit that join button right next to the subscribe button that you should have already hit. Gets a little behind the scenes stuff. Get your name on the end scroll and it helps out the channel. All right. If you want to get yourself a Doll Strong knife or the cutting boards or anything I use in my videos, links are also down below. You don't pay anything extra for it, and actually there's some discounts on the knives and the cutting boards, but it helps out the channel, okay? That's it for this week. I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Thank you for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.